I love. My absolute favorite lip gloss, hands down, is from a brand called Sara Happ. Her brand has been in Vogue, in Glamour, and we're about to debut brand new, a new flavor in time for Valentine's Day of her #1 and #2 best-selling items. Get ready for strawberry lips, girls. Brand new, now, you're the first to see this duo, and the sale price and the free shipping are gone in about 2.5 hours when the day is done. You are getting the lip scrub, which is loaded with jojoba and essential oils and squalene and all of it, right? The lip scrub, sugar scrub, that's gonna exfoliate and turn your lip thin, delicate, aging skin into a plate of glass. It is so smooth. And then you're gonna put on, in the tube, which normally it comes in a pot, and if I'm honest with Sara Happ, the tube is better because I don't have to put my finger in the pot and then wipe it off somewhere. The tube of her Lip Slip, the balm that has changed lips around the world. When Sara comes out here, Sean, our director, is going to take an extreme close-up of her lips, which we do every time at the beginning of these presentations.
Hi, my friend.
Because she does not have any filler.
True story.
No needles, no plumping. That's not just completely topical. She has great lips, and that largely is all she cares for, your lips with her brand.
True story. Okay, yeah, Sean, this is awkwardly tight. There we are.
Okay, separate.
There we are. Okay.
Oh, and look at the box. Hi.
Oh my gosh, we are Galentine's ready.
Oh,
we are
yeah, thank
Valentine's
you.
ready. She is so cute. I'm so happy that we get to see the box. Everyone, this is our girl. Like Sean said, she is our hero. She is our strawberry lip scrub. Literally, this is the first place anyone is ever seeing this in the whole world right now, today, as we speak.
Are we going to the girls when we do this?
Strawberry lip scrub, let's go. Let's
Okay,
go to
so
Sara.
this is a lip scrub and a lip shine.
It is.
And it's about, because guys, your lips are thinner than the skin on your face.
They are. They're
fewer
babies.
layers of epidermis or whatever. They have no oil glands, right? They thin as we age. They need your help. What are we doing to give them help?
Okay, so look at gorgeous Sarah Ann has the most beautiful lips, and she waits all day to scrub for me because she is an angel. So Sarah is going to scrub what you're watching right now, and if you had smell-o-vision, do you remember your strawberry shortcake doll when you were little?
I sure do.
And you'd smell her head?
With her little bonnet?
With her little bonnet. It smells like strawberry shortcake, the dessert, and it smells like strawberry shortcake. Look at her lips, natural color. They just came out because she's scrubbed with sugar, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil. Sarah, how do your lips feel?
So good. I love that strawberry. That's the first time
I
I've
just
used
ate
that.
it. I mean, it is sugar.
It's
so
sugar.
To resist.
It's
It
hard.
smells so good.
How often do you do this?
Every single morning. Every morning. I'm a mom. I will leave for school drop-off with dirty hair in Uggs, and I will have my lips scrubbed.
Yep.
That will be true.
Okay, now she follows with Lip Slip, which, by the way, Sarah started this brand in her kitchen
I did.
back in the early 2000s.
I did.
And immediately got picked up by People magazine because she was doing something really different. Like, for instance, the Lip Slip. Explain how it's not like normal lip gloss.
All right, so when people say, Sarah, am I addicted to my lip gloss? The answer is yes. Most lip glosses are made to dehydrate your skin. They make them that way. So I said, what if we took out all those dehydrating ingredients, and what if we infused them with juicy oils, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, fat for your skin that your lips will just sink into. All right, here's some numbers. The numbers don't lie, you guys. 100% of people agreed that they're, what are we doing? 100% of people agreed that their dry lips were instantly transformed. 100 said that the condition of their lips were visibly improved. 100% said they agreed their lips felt soft and smooth, and 98% said their lips texture was improved. Wendy is here. She's joining us. Guys, also, those studies are blind. No one is, I don't know those people. They are not my friends and family. It's not my mom.
And can I just say, it is so true, but your lips in winter take an extra beating.
They do. Oh
So
gosh, the wind.
We exfoliate our skin on our face,
We do.
even on our bodies. We talk so much about it.
This tastes
What? No, it does. I just licked my lips and it was like
better. It's sugar and essential oils. Yes.
Why don't you use salt? Why don't people use salt?
We should never use salt to exfoliate our lips. Salt is dehydrating. So your lips are so delicate. Wendy has these gorgeous lips. She just scrubbed. You can see we are using grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, sugar, and it's removing that top layer of skin.
Watch this.
So that look at her baby smooth lips and this gorgeous vibrant color that just came out.
And they're smooth when you exfoliate them. It gets rid of the skin tags and like the unevenness. So now
Yes.
that or your lipstick or both
Look at this.
glides on.
So Wendy, this is Wendy's natural God-given lip color. She is not wearing lipstick. She is not wearing anything but our Lip Slip gloss. And it is a fun fact.
I can't stop doing this.
I know,
so
it's the
happy.
best, isn't it?
But here's the deal, Wendy. Here's the beauty of it, is that you're not gonna have to reapply. It's gonna stay on and on and on.
Wait, I have a couple things. One, 700 of these duos ordered. Two,
oh my gosh.
Just take a quick look because you're getting the brand new scent shade, whatever you want to call it.
Only here.
Strawberry in the sugar lip scrub. And then that right there, which is the most perfect lip gloss in the world.
That
And it's
yumminess.
strawberry.
Yeah.
Jojoba, hyaluronic plumping acid, squalene, essential oils.
Yeah.
And then look at your screen because for 3 weeks, a group of people used the lip scrub.
Yes.
And take a look at what they said.
The numbers are so real because it's just what we do. We do one thing, we want to do it perfectly. We want to give you perfect lips. I can fix nothing in this world, but I can give you perfect lips. So I can give you no chapped lips also, which whether it's winter or summer, it does not matter. Your lips need to be exfoliated every single morning. Put your lip scrub by your toothbrush. Sarah Ann is a mama, and I know that she exfoliates her lips every single morning, like clockwork, right?
And by the way,
Necessary.
over
Necessary.
direct the scrub so that you really start to scrub away some of those fissure fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth where your lipstick feathers.
That's right.
And do the same thing with your lip gloss. Over direct it because it's a treatment gloss.
Over direct it.
You know what I mean? Like, you know how you overline?
Yes.
Fullness.
The fullness.
Oh my
Yes.
God. I mean, it's not sticky. Lip gloss is just quite annoying to me if it's sticky. And it's a treatment.
I can't handle
And
this.
a
Look at
just gorgeous, gorgeous with 1,000 orders
Look
placed
at that.
product.
That is, that's incredible. That is the lip scrub, the lip slip. Strawberry is here. It's its worldwide debut. I'm so excited for you to try her. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy winter. Happy January.
And by the way, you hail from California. Is everything okay with you guys?
I am
Where
seeing
you
the best
live?
of humanity where I live. It is devastating and it is also beautiful.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes,
babe. We
thank
love
you for having me. We love you.
Sara Happ to the rescue. By the way, if you haven't heard,